Good morning, friends. How are you there? So we are lifting this spreader beam, touching to the hook now. We will use this spreader beam to lift the bulk load, the control room. So from the boom truck, that is the boom truck. Now it's fixed to my hook. So that is the spreader beam, guys. It's already attached to my hook, to the hook of the crane. So the purpose of this spreader beam or